Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Alice Classes. Today we will talk about the how to install Schrodinger 2021. Okay, it is the latest application of Schrodinger 2021, and if you want to get this software, then you pay some amount and write on my email ID shakirali8285gmail.com to get this software. Now we see this how to install software Schrodinger software 2021. Okay, then this is the folder Schrodinger Suite 2021. Click on this and go to the setup, then install. Click on the setup application and install very easily. It is a very easy method by when you install. After completion of installation, then you go to the desktop. Click on Quinoid software, click on open file location and copy the back. Click on crack and click on the patch. Control C, copy this folder, this file, and go to the Schrodinger and paste here. Okay, after paste you will get the crack version of Schrodinger 2021. Okay, for lifetime. There is no need of license and anything else. When you go to the page, then click here. There is a page file. Double click here and you get a license like this in your folder. So then thank you so much for watching this video. If you want this software, you can write on my email ID shakirali8285gmail.com and pay some amount. Then thank you so much for watching this video, and like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel Alice Classes. Thank you so much.